How's it going, guys? It's Going Off Grid, and today we're doing the ultimate discharge test of my homemade 5 kilowatt hour output. That's what I've tested before at a slow discharge. Now we're going to check it at a high rate of discharge. We're going to be charging through a 240 down to 120 volt transformer. I've charged my electric car, so this is the new Nissan Leaf with the 40 kilowatt hour battery. I'm going to charge this with the new power station, and we're going to see how far we get. Anyways, so let's see here how much we can output. I got a kilowatt meter here on the transformer. I want to see how much more efficient this inverter will charge the car on 240 volts versus 120 volts. So we're just going to see how much this will output at 240 coming out into this transformer. This transformer eats about 80 watts an hour just sitting there. So we'll be losing something there, but I think we lose more in just heat on the inverter because one leg is more or less maxed out. So let's try it. Let's flip the switch and start charging the car. There we go. Got a kilowatt meter. Let's see, do we have to reset? Yeah, we're going to reset that right now. Look at that. We got a little twig here. That's perfect. There. Just go like this. Oh, there we go. Function. There's kilowatt hours. Now, our starting voltage is just under 58. That's pretty much full. And we're going to plug it in. Okay, the car should easily be able to take up 5 kilowatt hours. Let's see what we're getting here. 5.9, oh, 6.1. The 2016 Leaf takes more power than the 2012 that I have. My 2012 takes about 5.4 per leg. This one's taking 6.1. So this is actually a heavier load. Look at that. I already got a few watt hours there. 115 volts, 12 amps, 1401 watts. That's about 100 watts more than my 2012. Anyways, we're going to run this right until this thing's dead. See how it goes. Oh boy, it's been about another hour. A little less. 3.388 kilowatt hours. 3.3, almost 3.4. And we're getting kind of low on the battery voltage, you kind of think. 52 volts. It's a little low. We'll see what happens. I don't think we're making it to 5. That's not looking so hot. We'll find out. Alright, so we're still charging, but let's see what the difference between the 40 kilowatt hour Leaf with a pretty healthy battery, 88% healthy battery, and this 2012 Leaf with a very unhealthy battery. This is like 56% health battery. It's 7 battery bars. Maybe it's 58%. I can't remember. Battery health, but let's take a look-see. Now, this is fully charged. Just finished charging today. Woo! 58 kilometers. That's it. Now, I have a battery in the back, a 28 kilowatt hour battery, and I actually get closer to 200 kilometers on a charge. But still, like, the car doesn't know about it, and that's its prediction right there. It's terrible. Absolutely horrible. And the funny thing is that's actually pretty accurate to what the car would actually do if I didn't have the battery in the back. Right around 50 kilometers. When I bought it, it was more like 70. Not no more. It's definitely gotten worse since I bought it. It's lost about a kilowatt hour. Now, this car is quite a bit better for range anyways, but still has a few little issues here and there, but I mean, mechanically it's completely fine now. Just spent some money, had it safetied and whatnot. Let's see here. Oh, we're not even full charge. And look at that. I just shut the climate control off. 179 kilometers. And we still have 2 bars to go. Right there. We're still charging. So, I'd say that's a pleasant difference right there. Now, we know that my other car, that's right there, can actually do closer to 200. When this is fully charged, it says between like 230, 240, and 200. So they both can go about the same kilometers on a charge. But here's the difference here. This one here has much less weight in it, because that one has a battery in the back. This one doesn't. That one has tools in it. This one does not. This one, the supercharger works. That one does not. Ever since that battery went from 8 battery bars to 7 battery bars, the superchargers never worked. So, let's see now. What are we at? Oh, we're getting low. 50.6 volts. That's pretty low, but that is under load. So, we'll see. Oh, almost 4 kilowatt hours. Are we going to make 5? Man, I hope we make 5. That would be nice. Under this type of load. I can make 5 under a lesser load, but I don't know. It might be kind of a heavy load for these batteries. There's only 2. This is a 2 parallel battery setup, and then 14S. So I don't know. Is this kind of heavy for it? Well, either way, we're gonna find out. And one more, if we can put 1 more kilowatt hour into this car, that'd be real nice. I don't know, guys. Oh boy. 4.1 kilowatt hours on the AC side. We're at 49.6 volts under load. This is a 14S configuration. That's looking pretty low. I don't know if there's another 800, 900 watt hours in there. But we're gonna find out. This should operate down. I think I have the BMS set to shut off at 44 volts. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Don't want those cells getting too low. But we'll be driving this tomorrow. Boy, guys, I think we're almost done. 47.5 and dropping fast. Let's see if we can see it drop to 47.4. Maybe dropping not as fast. Oh, there it goes. 47.4. It's dropping quickly at this point. So, we didn't quite make it, guys. Not to 5 kilowatt hours. That's a little disappointing. To be honest, I thought we would. So we're more like, if this goes right to empty, we might make 4.5 kilowatt hours into a Nissan Leaf with the slowest charger. And the funny thing is, I want to put a bigger inverter in here and charge it quicker. So, oh boy, I don't know. Oh, we're dropping so quick now. I'm going to have to stop this real soon. Yeah, the batteries are done. So, with that being said, I think I'm going to end the test, call it here. There is your kilowatt hour for this pack at 1400 watts continuous the whole time. Anyways, that'll be it. I'm shutting the inverter off. Actually, I'm going to unplug the car first. That's it. Oh, I noticed when you click this, that's when it stops. That's interesting. Very interesting, actually. Car's done. Car's not actually done. The power supply is done. And offload 47.3. That's where we stopped. Batteries are spent. The whole point I built this for is to either put a mobile or temporary solar setup. Something like a bunch of solar panels with built-in frames that fold up. I can put them out in my yard. I got a big yard. And I can charge an electric car off this. Let this charge all day, or at least portion of the morning, get a full charge car off of it. Eventually my end goal for this is build a carport that faces south, park my electric cars under it. This will be the slow charging setup. I'm not going to put a huge solar array on it. It's not going to be a huge carport. It's just going to be built for a single car at a time. And this will be underneath it. This is going to be the solar system. And then the solar panels just go into here, and I charge my car. And that'll be it. That means all day charging will be charged off this, and then I'll probably set at that point, I'll set the BMS to stop charging at like, I don't even know what voltage. But anyways, I can set everything on there. So that is the point of this little system. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We all know now how many kilowatt hours you can push at a high rate. See you later. How's it going, guys? It's going off grid. I just wanted to show how often do you see somebody charging 2 electric cars off of solar. One there charging, one here charging. All off of solar. We got a nice sunny day outside. Let's go see. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Look at that. Sun and cloud, but I mean, still making enough power to charge 2 electric cars, which is awesome. Anyways, just thought I'd show you that, guys.